The SpaceMouse set the gold standard for 3D navigation. Freedom, fluidity, total control. What if that feeling was built right into your keyboard? Whether you're a mouse traditionalist, a stylus-driven professional on a pen tablet, or a mobile creator using a laptop trackpad, one key that transforms your mouse into a professional-grade navigation tool. Hold space, and the scene comes alive. Flow finds its target even when there's nothing under the cursor. No selection needed to start navigating. A subtle pulsing marker and the signature indigo ray point exactly to your future pivot. This visual lock-on provides absolute confidence. You always know exactly where your gaze is fixed. Navigation is no longer just smooth, it's intentional and predictable. The pivot point stays exactly where you're looking. No snapping, no jumping. From a distance, it's a subtle pulsing dot that draws your eye. As you close in, it opens into an active, segmented ring confirming the lock. Up close, the marker snaps to a tight point for precise near work. Flow reads the size of your target and gently decelerates as you approach. From massive environments to the tiniest details, you always land exactly where you need to be. Horizontal movement gently rolls the horizon, adding cinematic tension to your shot. Vertical movement lets you dial in distance with precision. Camera angles and fly-throughs that used to require separate tools. Now live in real time. When the move is done, one quick gesture snaps the horizon back to level. This is a full-featured tool for cinematic work right inside the viewport. And we're continuing to push it further. Autofocus handles the rest. Every time you move in closer, the subject is automatically and smoothly recentered in the frame. No stopping, no manual adjustment. Flow takes care of it while you keep moving. This isn't just navigation. It's a physical sensation of space. Flow delivers the same magical lightness and multi-axis control as a SpaceMouse, but with even greater precision. Your fingers on the keyboard and your hand on the mouse merge into a single manipulator, allowing you not just to move around an object, but to actually feel its weight and volume through every gesture. We've taken the best of professional controllers and amplified them with software intelligence. Where a physical device is limited by its mechanics, Flow leverages the data of your scene. It knows when to decelerate, where to lock your gaze, and how to perfectly level the horizon. It's an evolution of control that's always at your fingertips. No extra hardware, no clutter, just pure performance. What you've seen today is just the beginning. A small fraction of what Flow can actually do. We have deep dives coming soon for the View Switcher, our comprehensive visual UI, and advanced features like Align to Normal. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss those. Finally, we have something special for those who want to help us push the boundaries. We're offering a chance to get the Pro version for free in exchange for your feedback. If you're a dedicated Blender user and want to join our beta testing group, send us an email with the subject line, "I want to test Pro." You can find the contact address in the description below. Just give us a brief introduction to your work and your creative field. Slots are extremely limited, so don't wait. You'll find all the relevant links and details in the pinned comment.